With Android Auto, you can use various functions of your Android smartphone directly on the multimedia system. Please note that you will need an internet connection to use the full range of functions of Android Auto. You can operate Android Auto using the touchscreen, touch control, or MBUX voice control function. Using a suitable cable, connect your smartphone to a USB connection in the center console. Open the Device Manager in order to start Android Auto. To do this, select the Android Auto symbol next to the name of your connected smartphone. Alternatively, you can connect your smartphone wirelessly using Bluetooth. To do this, Bluetooth must be active on your smartphone and your device must be visible to other devices. Please note that there can only be one smartphone connected with the multimedia system via Android Auto at any one time. In order to quit Android Auto, press the Home button either in the multimedia system or on the steering wheel touch control. You can call Android Auto back up using the appropriate symbol in the status bar. In order to end Android Auto, call up the Device Manager of the multimedia system again and select the Android Auto symbol next to the name of your connected smartphone. Remove the USB cable if you establish the connection using a cable.